Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Wednesday, August 7th. It's 5:30. The market closed about a half hour ago. I finished streaming. I actually had to cut my stream short today. Sorry about that if you were on. Had to had to go. Um, but anyway, yeah, if you missed it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The streams are awesome. Not only do you get to watch me trade like a degenerate, but you also get to hang out with some awesome people in the chat. I stream. Well, I'll talk about when I stream. I want to get into how I did in my Take Profit Trader accounts before Trade of 8 updates. I did 1,020 in both accounts, copy trading in my Diddy Beebs group, my Diddy Beebs copy trading group. Both accounts are up 1,020, but that's not the whole story. It was actually crazy because these accounts did not start off well last night when I started trading them. I traded during the overnight, right? Let me show you what happened. I was down a fuck ton, and I traded my way out of the deficit and got myself to a nice, healthy profit, and that's where the last trade took me. And then I showed some self-control. You know what? I showed some self-control. I was like, I'm done. I'm done for the day. No need to push this further. Yeah, could I have pushed it further? You could go, the most you could go up. These are test accounts. The most you could go up. They have a 50% consistency rule on test accounts. I could have pushed it to, tried to push it to 4,500, but why? Why even bother? 1,000 is fine. The account's cruising to $9,000 profit goal to pass and get pro and go pro. I need another. What do I need? $3,500 more dollars to get this thing over. I'll try to do that by the end of the week, right? I don't need to do it right. I don't need to do it. Although I could have done it today. Shit, I could have done it today, but whatever. It doesn't matter. The market conditions definitely, made it within reach today, but I didn't want to push it any further. I called it a day and I moved on to my other accounts. I'm trying to exude or display or demonstrate some self-control to protect myself from blowing these accounts. I've been blowing these accounts too much because I keep pushing. I get greedy. So once I got out of the deficit and up $1,000, I was like, I'm done. So check out what happened. Look at this. Let me show you in the performance data. It was yesterday during the overnight when it happened, when I started trading this account. I traded my Funded Futures account first, was finished with that, and I moved on to this. And quickly, look at this. Right here is when I took my first trades of the day, 1846 Pacific time. So it was like about 9:46 p.m. Eastern time when the overnight was pumping. I think it was the Asian markets were open. Asia was open. This was how my day started with both accounts because I'm copy trading, right? So I was down, 975 plus 720 plus 345 plus 255. I was down $2,295 in both accounts. Not a great start. I could have literally, at this point, I was like, all right, I'm going to take just a couple more trades to see if I could work this deficit down because I was getting close to the $3,300 daily loss limit. And with Take Profit Trader, when you hit the daily loss limit, you lose your account. So you never want to go anywhere near that daily loss limit. I've done it so many times. I've hit it right on the T and lost accounts. So I'm just trying to be more responsible. You can't trade these Take Profit Trader accounts like Apex accounts. You just can't be reckless. So you got to be smart about it. And it started really fucking bad. This was awful. But I worked my way out of it. Since those trades, this is what I did after. I just kept winning. I had a couple of L's, but mostly wins until I got to the point where I was up over $1,000 in both accounts. So I'm very happy about where this is at. Obviously, the job is not done. The job isn't done until you get payouts. But the job is not done in terms of passing these accounts. I'm $3,500 away. I'm definitely confident in my ability to get it there. So we'll see if I could do it in the next day or two. I'm not going to pressure myself into getting it done in the next day or two, but I know I can. I might even be able to get it done tomorrow. But whatever, even if it takes me another week, I don't care. The goal is to get these over and then push them to a payout. So with that said, if you want to take advantage of Take Profit Traders deal that they have going on right now, it's 50% off any size test account, and 100% of your test fee will be refunded to you after getting your first pro withdrawal from that account. So let's say you get a 150K. These are the prices. They do have 25K and 75K accounts available. I'm not a huge fan of those. These are the three that I recommend. I like the 150s because I need all the daily loss limit I could get, just based on my trading style. With that said, though, this is the pricing with the coupon. You put if you don't have an account yet and you want to get an account for the first time, just click on the link in the description below. And when you're prompted to put a promo code in, put in the code ZERODAYJAY because it has the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate according to the prop firm Streets. I can't confirm it with actual data, but the degen data tells me if you hang on to my streams at all, you would know that my coupon code is the best. It's magical. Anyway, so let's just say you get an account, you get a 150K, you pay 180 with the 50% discount. Then you go pro, you have your funded account, you push it over the buffer of 4,500 whenever that happens. As soon as you request your first withdrawal from after you go over the buffer, you will get your $180 back in addition to whatever you request as your payout. So that's a pretty cool deal. I like the deal. It's not a bad one. It's not their best promotion, but it's a good one. They just started this promotion. It's probably going to be going on for at least a month. But 50% off any size test account is a good deal. That's the most they have ever offered. And the reason I like Take Profit Trader more than the other prop firms is because there's no rules really. The only thing they don't want you doing is trading news. You can DCA, there's no consistency rule on funded accounts. You could bracket trade. You can have inconsistent position sizing. You can micro scalp. You could hold positions, for short amounts of time. None of those rules apply to Take Profit Trader. The only thing they don't want you doing is trading red folder news like CPI, FOMC, PPI, stuff like that. You could take profit out after the first day. You could have as many as 5 funded accounts at the same time, and you could copy trade them using whatever, Trade of 8, Rhythmic, whatever, Trading Ninja, all that stuff, Quant Tower, whatever you want to use. All you have to do is go over the buffer zone. They do have a 50% consistency rule on the test accounts, and a 5-day minimum to trade. So you have to trade for at least 5 days. So let's say you get over after the second or third day, just flip micros the rest of the way. I think Take Profit Trader is amazing. I just have not yet. I'm working towards that elusive first payout with them. I will get it. I love the idea of being able to get money literally every day from them. No questions asked. You request your money, they send it to you. It's not even. It's real basic. They keep it. There's no waiting on pending approval. They don't look at your trades or anything. They don't care. The only thing they care about is that you don't trade the news. That's it. They don't want you having any positions open while news happens, before or after, during, all that stuff. Anyway, with that said, click on the link in the description below. Put in the code ZERODAYJay if you want to support the channel. If you do, I appreciate it. If you don't, no big deal. We're still cool no matter what. The fact that you're watching this video is support enough, or if you hang out on my streams or you subscribe to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these updates. I stream every single day. I hop on during New York anytime between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern, usually around 2:30, and I stream to and through close. If you don't see me, or if you don't get the notification and you are subscribed, just look for me at Power Hour. I will be on. And I also stream during the overnight around London Open. I hop on anytime between 2:30 and 4 a.m. Eastern time. It's a big range because it really depends on what's going on. Sometimes I'm really tired and I'll take a quick power nap, and then I end up getting on around 1. But either way, when I stream, you get to watch me trade like a degenerate. And the best part about it, not only that, you get to hang out with awesome people in the chat. We always have a good turnout. There's usually 80 to 100 people during the overnight. And during the New York stream, we've had as many as 209 people. Today was about 160 because I got on late and I uploaded a video right before I got on. So I think the algorithm was kind of not showing people that I was on. But lately I've been having around 200 people on every single day. So it's awesome. And it's just a good time. And you don't want to trade alone. Why would you want to trade alone? It's lonely trading, especially with prop firms. So with that said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.